This is YFM-109NCA, the auto nylon fin welding machine by computer control for number 5 nylon zipper. Now we are going to test this machine. For the first piece of the zipper, please make the gaping space is stopping around this position. Okay? And please touch the screen and you can see there is a manual operation, and please press the manual operation and you can see there is a 1 cycle action. So please follow the 1 cycle action. First, please press the hook pin on and the hook pin will goes up, and please pull the chain to make the teeth touch the hook pin. Okay? And please pull the chain like this. And second, please press the separate film. And third one, please press the feeding and switch off the feeding and switch off the separate film. And then please switch on the film cutting and please press the 6-on welding. Okay, and please release all, and you can check the welding results is good or not. Now it's good, and you can put the zipper into the transmission wheel and you can go back to the main screen and you can set up how many pieces you want to produce. For example, you want to produce 30 pieces, and then you can press the start, the machine will be auto running. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. And there's a setting, and the motor positioning delay time is once the hook attach the gap, and the motor need to run how much time and then stopped. Normally we set up the 80 millisecond to 100 millisecond. This machine we set up 90 millisecond. The cooling delay time we set up the 10 millisecond. Normally you can set up from 8 millisecond to 10 millisecond. Okay, and there is the password. Please press the password 8008, enter, and you can see there is the speed setting. The high speed setting, now we set up the 5000. According to the machine's working, the 5000 is standard, and you can increase the speed, but maximum please do not set up more than 6000. We can go back to the main screen. If machine has any problem, the alarm review will show you where's the problem and what time happened. Okay, and there is a ultrasonic control box. You can see now we set up the amplitude. For this machine we set up the 85%, and you can set up. Before you set up you need to press the manual operation, and there is an ultrasonic check and hook pin you need to switch on, and then you can test. So you can press the set. Now we set up the amplitude is 85% and the welding time is 0.5 seconds. You can make a setting. You can increase or decrease from here according to the welding result. And once you confirm, you just press confirm. Okay? So Bob Messel is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish the machine testing.